Christopher, Hitch 572. All aluminum Hemi. Give you a description of this combination and the cylinder heads on it. Aluminum block, custom grind solid roller, little Brock manifold. Got Ollie throttle bodies, Ollie Terminator X fuel management. Beautiful billet touchless front end on it. We'll go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3600, 591 foot-pounds torque, peak torque 688, peak horsepower 746, rated 700, so it runs really good. Front end on it. Just all the new stuff, EFI, new cylinder heads. It's a nice package. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple other things. If you see this engine, you find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card. It's full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. It will actually have your engine number, some other specs. Anything from us, that engine number is easy. Just wait to look you up, flip it over. Got a QR code, that'll take some more tech stuff. Have a great day.